In upstream oil and gas, the data tide is rising fast. Seismic scans, drilling telemetry, ESG metrics, GenAI insights, it's coming from every direction, and it's only accelerating. Your data is scattered across specialized tools and systems. Petrel, OpenWorks, SCADA, historian platforms, ESG databases. Integrating it all? Slow, costly, inefficient. Whether you're exploring for hydrocarbons, optimizing drilling in real time, improving production, reporting ESG metrics, or powering GenAI copilots, your success depends on trusted, AI-ready data. And let's not forget predictive maintenance, spanning rigs, pumps, compressors, and carbon capture sites. You can't afford downtime. You need foresight. The Denodo platform, a logical data management solution, creates a virtual layer across your entire upstream ecosystem. No duplication, no delay, just governed, real-time, AI-ready data from every source. Unify subsurface data for exploration, deliver real-time telemetry to drilling teams, optimize production with AI, automate ESG compliance, feed GenAI applications with confidence. The tide isn't slowing, but with Denodo, you can ride it. Confidently, securely, and intelligently. Visit Denodo.com to learn more and book your demo.